Welcome, dear Science Whiz viewers. Please continue sending your comments and please subscribe in case not done earlier. Please watch, share and subscribe. I'm here with yet another exciting episode of Nutrition in Plants. Let's solve the questions of Boojo and Paheli. Are you ready? Let's check out the questions one by one. Let's check out the question. Boojo wants to know how plants prepare their food. Here is your answer. Plants prepare their food using the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in the leaves of green plants. That's why the leaves are called as a food factory of a plant. In detail about photosynthesis, for your information, science viewers, those who have not seen the video of a nutrition in plants explanation, please go through it. It's explained in detail in nutrition in plants explanation video. Second question, Paheli wants to know why our body cannot make food from carbon dioxide, water and minerals like plants do. As you know, chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, they are the necessary components for photosynthesis to be taken place. So what happened in the case of absence, any one of these photosynthesis is not possible. Since our body do not have chlorophyll, including other necessary mechanism for photosynthesis, so our body cannot synthesize food like plants do. Next question. Boojo wants to know how water and minerals absorbed by roots reach the leaves. This answer also, for your information, science viewers, have given in the question bank this answer. Okay, let's check out the answer. Plants have a system of hair-like capillaries in their stems. These capillaries are called xylem. So plants absorb water and minerals from roots and transport them to the leaves and other parts of the plants through these capillaries called xylem. Let's check out the question. Paheli wants to know what is so special about the leaves that they can synthesize food but other parts of the plant cannot. Here's your answer. In the leaves of plants, a pigment called chlorophyll is found. The green color of leaves is due to the presence of chlorophyll in them. If you want to know in detail about chlorophyll, please watch our Science Whiz Nutrition in Plants explanation video. Next question. Boojo has observed some plants with deep red, violet or brown leaves, isn't it? He wants to know whether these leaves also carry out photosynthesis. Here is your answer. Leaves having deep violet or brown also have chlorophyll present in them. But what happens? These colors overlap the green color of chlorophyll, so green color is not seen in such leaves. Next question. Boojo is confused. If the pitcher plant is green and carries out photosynthesis, then why does it feed on insects? Here is your answer. Soil in which plants like pitcher plants grow is deficient in some nutrient, that means lack of nutrient. So pitcher plants could not get all required nutrients from soil. Thus pitcher plant eat insects to fulfill the requirement of those nutrients which they do not get from soil in which they grow. Next question. Paheli wants to know whether mosquitoes, bedbugs, lice and leeches that suck our blood are also parasites. Here's your answer. What's a parasite? Organisms that feed on other organisms, they are called as parasite. Since mosquitoes, bedbugs, lice, leeches, etc., they feed on other animals by sucking their blood, they are also called as parasites. Next question. Boojo wants to know how these organisms acquire nutrients. They do not have mouth like animals do. They are not like green plants as they lack chlorophyll and cannot make food by photosynthesis. So, here the question is about saprotrophs. The mode of nutrition is different in saprotroph, right? Saprotroph do not have mouths similar to animals. and they don't have chlorophyll similar to leaves because saprotrophs feed on dead and decaying matter. They secrete digestive juices over the dead and decaying animals, and what they will do, they will convert it into a solution. Then they absorb nutrients from it. So this mode of nutrition is called saprotrophic mode of nutrition, and mushroom is an example of saprotroph. Here is your next question. Paheli is keen to know whether her beautiful shoes, which she wore on special occasions, were spoiled by fungi during the rainy season. She wants to know how fungi appear suddenly during the rainy season. Here's your answer. The spores of fungi are generally present in air. So what happens when they land on wet and warm things? They start germinating and they will grow. The weather in rainy season is moist and humid, which is more suitable to germinate and grow for fungi. So these fungi grow in rainy season and spoil the things on which they grow. Next question, we will check out what Boojo says. Boojo says, once his grandfather told him that his wheat fields were spoiled by a fungus. He wants to know if fungi cause disease also. Here is your answer. Fungi feeds on other organisms on which they germinate and they grow. So to get nutrients, what fungi will do? It secretes digestive juice in an organism which they grow and it converts into a solution. Then they absorb nutrients from it. So during getting nutrients, fungi decompose organisms on which they grow. This is the cause that fungi are also called as natural decomposer. But sometimes fungi germinate and grow on wheat, rice and other plants and spoil them to get nutrients. So this is called fungal disease. Next question is about by Paheli. Paheli told him that many fungi like yeast and mushrooms are useful, but some fungi cause diseases in plants, animals and humans. Some fungi are also used in medicines. So first question is about the useful fungi. Yeast and mushrooms, they are the useful fungi. As you know, yeast is used in fermentation of dough, used for making bread, cake, etc. And mushroom, it's a fungi and it's used as vegetable. Next question is about fungi, how it's causing diseases in plants, right? Paheli's question, one by one she has asked the question. So Paheli's question about fungi which cause for diseases. Some fungi spoil the plants after germinate and grow over them. So some fungi, they are also cause skin disease in animals. For example, ringworm is a fungal skin disease. Dandruff is also a fungal disease. Next she asked about some fungi are also used in medicines. Some fungi are used to make antibiotics. Since fungi are natural decomposer, they are used in making weedicides. Weedicide means to control the unwanted plants in field. Thank you, my dear Sciences viewers, for your continuous motivation and support. And please like, share and subscribe and please support me. Thank you so much.